Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to clean a Honda Odyssey engine. First, gather your supplies, including a good quality engine degreaser, various brushes, and a microfiber cloth. Make sure your engine is completely cool to the touch before you begin. For safety, always disconnect the negative terminal of your car's battery before working on the engine bay. This prevents accidental electrical shorts. Next, it's crucial to protect sensitive electrical components from water and cleaning solutions. Use plastic bags to cover the alternator, fuse box, and any exposed electrical connectors. Also, ensure the air intake is well covered. Secure these plastic coverings with painter's tape to prevent them from shifting during the cleaning process. This step is vital for avoiding damage. Now, it's time to apply the engine degreaser. Spray it generously over all the dirty areas of your Honda Odyssey engine. Let the degreaser sit for approximately 10 to 15 minutes, allowing it to break down the grease and grime. Then, use various brushes, including a stiff bristle brush for tough spots and a softer brush for more delicate areas, to agitate the dirt. Finally, rinse the engine carefully using a low-pressure water spray. Avoid directing high-pressure water directly onto any electrical components, even those you've covered. Once rinsed, remove all the plastic coverings. Use a clean microfiber towel to dry the engine thoroughly. You can also start the engine and let it run for a few minutes to help evaporate any remaining moisture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.